Have you registered for the Evolving Practice of Cardiovascular Precision Medicine virtual meeting? If so, this video tutorial will show you how to navigate the meeting site and make the most out of your virtual experience. How do I access the meeting? To begin, if you have already registered for the Evolving Practice of Cardiovascular Precision Medicine, you can navigate to the virtual meeting site in a few ways. In the welcome email sent to the email address you provided during registration, you can click the Log In button underneath the Get Acquainted with the Digital Venue header. You will also be able to launch the virtual course from the meeting's listing page on acc.org, or you can simply type virtual.acc.org/precisionmed21 directly into your web browser's address bar. Once there, you may be prompted to log in. Clicking either of the login buttons will temporarily redirect to acc.org, where you can log in using your acc.org credentials associated with registration. You will then be automatically taken back to the virtual meetings homepage. How do I navigate the virtual meeting website? From the homepage, you have a few options. On the right-hand side at the top of the page, you can click the Download Agenda button to view a PDF of the meeting agenda listing sessions along with their date, times, and participants. Scroll down the homepage to see a list of upcoming live sessions, beginning with the Welcome and Opening session on April 16, 2021 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and ending with the closing session at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After 3 p.m. EST, all live sessions will be available on demand on this same page. Lastly, the Engage tab will show you ways to continue the discussion and connect with other professionals in the cardiovascular community. Here, you can connect through social media, join the Healthcare Innovation member section, or access additional ACC resources, such as the Clinician Wellbeing Portal and the COVID-19 Hub. How do I use the chat feature? The social Q&A chat feature will be available during all live sessions. While viewing a live session, you will be able to use this feature to ask presenters questions. During panel discussions, questions will be pulled from the social Q&A and discussed by the panelists. How do I claim credits? The window for credit claiming opens on April 16th and closes on July 16th, 2021. To claim credit once the window has opened, go to the meeting homepage and click on the Evaluation and Credit Claim button in the right-hand box, as shown. This will lead you to a form which must be completed and submitted to claim credits. Please note that until April 16th, 2021, this button will be grayed out, as shown. You will only be able to complete the evaluation and credit claim once, so please make sure you have finished your participation in the certified content you wish to claim credit for before proceeding. For more information on credit info and faculty disclosures, you can click here to learn more.